Hi guys, today we are back in running in Roblox. Okay, let's close this. What's the here? Leave this house. How can I leave and vanish here? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Open the door. How can I go? Sorry. Oh gosh. I thought it was. Oh, was it right away? Hello? Oh. Oh gosh, oh gosh! Ow! Oh gosh!
12:30 to 5.
No gosh. God found me. Okay, day one.
Umaga tayo tulog. Ha?
Get the vase. Get the vase. Get the vase.
Okay, kagabi.
Ah! Yeah!
12 na yun eh.
Oh gosh, gosh. Oh, Granny! Granny! Gosh,
Tina! Sino mo? Tingnan mo si mami mo, ganyan siya na. Lat! Bilis! Halika, dali! Si mami mo
close the
yan.
door.
Bilisan mo! Ikaw mo!
Okay guys, look
Ganyan
at
si mami mo nun eh, tapos tumatali din siya sa kantahan. Hindi,
guys.
ibig sabihin
Oh, I
ganyan
can get in the bed.
O, tapos tingkit to.
Oh, pick it up.
Maputi ka,
Ah,
yan mo itin.
gosh. Oh, Granny. Granny.
Ha?
Granny, you got not up here. Is he here? No, he's not there.
Ikaw to, pa-check up pala tayo. Sabay-sabay tayo
Let's
kakunin eh.
escape. Oh gosh.
Hindi, yung
Look at
magpapaano
those
lang tayo,
bodies.
laboratory lang tayo agad.
Where should I get out? Oh, here.
Laboratory lang agad. Yung ano, yung sa dugo, flash scan.
Open.
Feeling ko ano eh,
Oh.
mataas naman yung ano ko.
Open the. Open it. Open. Can't open it. So she will go.
Why are you not?
Ah!
Control your emotion. Deron, control your emotion. Not too happy.
Gosh.
Not too happy, not too angry. Deron, control your emotion.
Guys.
Control your emotion. Control your emotion. Deron, control your emotion.
Sorry, Gappy. Oh.
Uy, ba't ang big frog yan ha? What a big frog?
Guys, if you like run the game in Roblox, you can just like and get off the screen.
Ba't ang ingay mo? Ano yan?